The most thing for me was to be able to do things at my own pace with family and personal obligations. I could do things when I needed to.
Oh, clinics, for sure.
And what do you like most about your program?
It would be clinicals and meeting my very best friends right now, like Mary and Brittany, and it's just been a wonderful program.
It was nice and easy, and it was actually flexible. I can do it at my own pace.
Being able to eventually finish and help people.
I actually got a job in the dental field, and I love it. It's fantastic.
Chairside, I love doing chairside. I love being able to do extractions and fillings and just all of it. I love it.
I'm excited to get to learn more about what I did and actually get to do it and help people out.